Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Ah. Welcome back to my channel. Today you can see that I have most of my makeup on except for my brows and my eyeshadow. This is going to be a relatively quick video because I wanted to show you guys. Everybody's asking about the Valentine's Day eye look, but at this stage of the game, when we are this old, you know, we watch a lot of YouTube videos, and you see these young girls doing transition colors and blah 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 blah. But ultimately, all you really need to do is create definition in your crease and highlight your lid and your brow bone. I want to show you what the goal is. I use my go-to palette, which is the MAC. It's called Red Hot Times by MAC. And the only reason I use this, I mean, I have tons and tons of palettes, but the only reason I use this is because she's my bitch, and that's just the way it rolls. So we could do, you know, we could sit here and say, I'll use this or this as my transition color in my crease to begin with. Or quite frankly, if you don't want to, you could, let's just start with the pink color and put it on a brush and just put it in the crease all the way across. You don't have to get fancy. Do the windshield wiper method if you want. Just put it above the crease. Don't go below the crease. I apologize for my nose running. The son of a beyond has been running for days. I can't get it to quit. I've had the surgery. I don't want to hear it. And all I'm using is just this Real Techniques brush, just like that. And I'm putting that where your crease line is, on the line and above, right? Just right there. I mean, we could get real technical, or we could just do what we need to do and look nice. Flat out. All right. Ah! My bad. Okay. This actually comes as a set. There's another little one. There's 3 in a set at Real Techniques. You can get it at Walmart. This is a crease brush. We're going to go in with the dark in the middle, bottom. And all we're going to do is go right along the crease line and create a dark line. That's all we're going to do. We're going to try, you can go below the line, but we're going to try to keep the pink above the line. And just use the purple to define the actual line, the crease line, okay? That's all we're going to do, people. We're just going to go back and forth. Ta-da! Don't worry about getting messy. We're going to cover that shit up here in a minute. Do the same thing on this side. We're just creating a shadow effect. My effing back hurts. I'm about to take a pain pill and sit down somewhere and watch Dr. Phil. Because that's what I do. Or I might do a chewable and do it that way. Okay. Now, there is a brush. It's just a flatter, it's a flat shade brush is what it's called. I can't effing find mine. Here it is. All it is a flat, see how flat it is? You could use that brush honestly, you could use this brush if you wanted to. Promise. But we're going to go into this shade, the lightest shade that they have. Coat one side of it. Other side's not even touched. And all we're going to do is pat the lid up to the line. That's it. Pat the lid to the line. Not over the line, just to the line. See what I did there? Then, whatever's left, pat underneath the brow. Because you don't want it to be, you don't want your brow to be, well, maybe you do. Shit, I don't know. Let's do it. Put a little bit more on the one side and just pat underneath the brow. Okay? Put more on the one side. Do the other eye. Up to the line, up to your crease line, patting. Because if you rub it on, it'll smear the white with the purple, and then it'll just be lavender on your eye, and you don't want that. You want it to be more white, because then the shadow appears. See how that looks deep? I have hooded eyes, but see how that darker purple makes it look like I actually don't have hooded eyes now? Yeah, I know. Pat along the brow bone, because when we do our brows, then we want the same effect to happen. We want our brows to make our eyes to pop. So we want this to show up. Okay? Go back to your first brush that you use that still has pink on it. Okay? And just kind of gently brush over the white, the bottom of the white, just to kind of blend it together. Don't go crazy. See how that looks right there? Alright, now, here's what you're going to need to do. With the pink, calm down. I know I sound like a woman, but calm down. Take a deep breath, take a drink, smoke a joint, whatever you need to do. If the kids are acting up, pause, go take care of the kids, then come back and sit down. Because we're going to do the under eye, and you don't want to stick yourself in the eye, and your eye be all bloodshot and shit, and then you'll be like, you know what, it's the damn kids, I can't even be around them. Just take them kids and put them in the lake. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Don't put them in the lake. But the point is, with the same pink brush, you see how it's angled? Take the angle, the longest angled side, and dip that side in the pink. Turn it and go up underneath your eye. You can make a funny face, shit, we don't care. Don't go crazy. Do it at a lightest touch possible, okay? The lightest touch possible. Don't dip it in like this. No. The longest end. Sweep it in a little bit. Tap it. And barely go along the bottom line. The bottom lash line. Okay? Alright, so you got a little bit of pink down there. You did it. Alright, alright. Cute. Alright. Breathe. Alright. We got this. We got this. How we're almost done now. Calm down. Take the purple brush. Again. Kids are acting up. Set them down behind you. Just tell them, sit the hell down. Mommy's doing something. Sit down and watch mommy. Just sit there. Put your hands on your lap and watch mommy do her makeup for a minute. If it's a dog, same thing. Sit and watch. Go in the middle. The one that we went in. But this time you do want to go in like this. Go in the very tip, okay? Tap off the excess. Very gently though. Don't go in there and yeah. Just gently, gently. And go along the bottom lash line, gently handed. Because you don't want to cover up all of the pink. You want the pink to kind of still shine through. Very gently. You may have to do it again for the other eye. Don't stick it in your eye. Stick it along the bottom lash line. Not up where the waterline is. Along the lash line. There's a difference. After you do that, you are ready for your eyeliner and your brow. If you don't want to wear eyeliner, that's okay too. That's okay. Fact is, let's just do it without eyeliner. I know a lot of people that don't wear eyeliner, and it's okay. At our age, eyeliner may irritate your eyes. We are susceptible to allergies. We are old. We don't want that eyeliner on there. Hellfire, maybe we just don't want to sit here and poke it in our damn eye. I don't know your situation. I got some new eyeliner, or new mascara. I dreaded it. Honestly, if it wouldn't have been with the money off, only $2.99, I swear to heaven, I would have not got it. But it is Maybelline's The Falsies Push-Up Angel. They had one called Maybelline Push-Up something, something, something. I didn't get it. I am typically a Benefit. They're real. This is usually my go-to mascara, honestly. I've wore it for years. That's what I like. That's just the way I roll. Okay, people? But this is what I got. I got it home. I opened it up. I was all freaking excited that I was going to do this video. I'm just going to spare you the trouble. I tried this. Trash. No. So, but what I'll do is I'll show you. I done threw it on the goddamn ground. Just don't even worry about it. You poke yourself in the eye. Moving on. It's horrible. The whole setup is horrible. So go out, buy you the double banger. You know you want the double banger anyway. It is the best stuff I have ever found. I understand that, you know, you don't want to have fibers on your lashes, whatever, but I'm telling you right now, this is the best shit ever. It is the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber something, something from, hell, I don't even know who made it now. L'Oreal. Go get you some of this. It is some good stuff, y'all. But if you're at Sephora, Ulta, or something, or buy the Benefit. But I'll put that on in a minute. I wanted to show you what I did get. I was at TJ Maxx, and I wanted to show you this. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button. And get all your friends to like and subscribe, whatever. If they don't want to subscribe for them. Hit the subscribe button when they're not looking. It's alright. Anyway, I got this because, you know, I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a whole bunch of different kinds. And they have, like, you know, now that they got matte and diamond lust and metallic and holographic and, you know, all that. Well, Hilton come out with Lip Wonderland, and it has all 4 of the types of lipsticks. If you want to give it a try, $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Beautiful colors. Look at this. Oh, gee whiz, this one broke. Oh, jizz. Okay. This is the Diamond Lust. Look at how pretty that is. The matte, the metallic, and then the unicorn. Okay, so what I thought we would do, I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to put my mascara on, do my brows, and then finish up, and I'll come back and say, toodles! Thanks for joining me today, guys. It was fun, and I am really glad that you came to my channel to check it out. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and keep coming back for, you know, additional videos. I know I don't put out as many as probably what everyone else does, but hey, you know, I have fun doing it, and that's all that matters to me. So, get everybody that you know to subscribe. I'd like to have a lot of subscribers, you know, that way, you know, I could say, well, how many subscribers you got? I'm like 150. Hey, that's a lot for me, you know? So, if you know anybody, just tell them, hey, it's free. Subscribe to this chick. And if you know their login, subscribe for them. It's free. They'll never know. Anyway, thanks again. I really appreciate you checking me out. Talk to you soon. Love ya. Peace out.